Alright guys, so this game, I've already just cleaned it using just a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. It's a problem I've never come across. Just blank screen. And I have tried cleaning the pins multiple times. It's time to take it apart. Just one little screw. Oh, there's the problem. Oh man, that is bad. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna try to brush away some of this corrosion. Looks like that battery is really bad. This is just 70% rubbing alcohol. Just clean off all that stuff. I'll have to desolder this battery, take it out, put a new one in, but I'm just gonna see if cleaning off all that residue will do any good. Because if it's if that doesn't fix it, replacing the battery is probably not going to fix it either. I might as well do the back side of it too, just to clean it up. I'll clean this a little bit more before I go and, really I know I need to put a new battery in this thing, but I want to see if this fixes the problem or not. No real point in replacing the battery if that didn't fix that loading issue. Oh, look at that. I'm getting a little bit different. Some bars.